皆さん、こんにちは。チャンネルへようこそ。今日はコメント欄でよく見かける話題を取り上げます。正直、こんなに長い間待っていたなんて信じられません。バンドメイドライブに反応するのですが、スタジオバージョンよりもさらに良い音だとみんなが言っています。ちょっと疑わしいけど、ちょっとワクワクもしています。早速見ていきましょう。ちょっと待って、ちょっと待って、これって生演奏なの？ありえない。ミックスがすごくクリアだし、ギターの音もすごく迫力があって、ドラマーの演奏もめちゃくちゃすごい。それに、ボーカルも、オートチューンもスタジオのトリックも一切なし、ただただ性のパワー。これは本当にやばい。やっとわかった。みんながこれをスパム投稿してた理由がわかったよ。彼らが放つエネルギーは別次元だ。まるでスクリーン越しに観客の熱気が伝わってくるみたい。これはただのパフォーマンスじゃなくて、まさに体験そのもの。それに、あのギターの音色についてちょっと話してもいいかな。本当にクリアで、どのリフも完璧に際立ってる。何よりも印象的なのは、バンドとしての一体感の強さだ。タイミング、展開、ダイナミクス、すべてが完璧にシンクロしていて、まるで意識せずとも完璧に息が合っているかのようだ。そしてステージでの存在感は、まさに圧巻。ただ演奏しているのではなく、パフォーマンスをしているのだ。
Reacting to Bandmade for the first time is not just a simple listening experience. It feels like stepping into an entirely different world where expectations are immediately challenged and then completely redefined. At first glance, many people, include first-time viewing, might assume that Bandmade is novelty acts because of their unique made-inspired outfit. The visual presentations creates an image of the softness, elegance, and perhaps even playfulness. However, the moment the music begins, that image is shattered in the most powerful and unforgettable way. What replaces it is a surge of raw energy, technical mastery, and undeniable authenticity that demands attention from the very first note. The opening sounds alone often feels like a wake-up call. The guitars are aggressive yet controlled, delivering riffs that are both complex and memorable. They don't rely on repetitions alone. Instead, they evolve, keeping the listeners constantly engaged. The drumming is equally impressive, tight, precise, and filled with dynamic variations that give each song a heartbeat of its own. It's not just about keeping time, it's about driving the music forward with force and intentions. Meanwhile, the bass stands out in a way that many bands fail to achieve. Rather than simply supporting the rhyme, it takes on a melodic role, adding depth and richness to the overall sounds. Vocally, Bandmade presents another layer of brilliance. The voice cuts through the instrumentations with clarity and power, Yet it never feels disconnected from the band. Instead, it becomes another instrument within the arrangement, blending seamlessly while still maintaining its individuality. There is emotions in every line, sometimes sometimes fierce, sometimes playful, but always genuine. Even for listening who may not understand Japanese, the delivery alone communicates feeling, providing that music truly is a universal language as the reaction continues. What becomes increasingly clear is the level of chemistry within the band. May does not perform like a group of individuals trying to shine separately. They perform as a unified force. Each member understands their role perfectly, and more important, they understand each other. These connections is what allows them to execute such intricate compositions without losing their sense of flow. It feels effortless, yet you can tell it is the result of countless hours of practice, discipline, and shared passion. Another striking aspect of reacting to bandmate is the realizations of how they balance complexity with accessibility. Their music is technically advanced, filled with intricate pattern and surprising transition, yet it never feels overwhelming. Instead, it invites the listeners in, offering something new with each replay. This balance is incredibly difficult to achieve, and it's one of the reasons why bandmates stand out in the global rock scene. There are not just musicians, there are storytellers who use sound as their language. Culturally, bandmates also represent something significant. As a Japanese rock band gaining international recognition, they break down barriers barriers and challenge in stereotypes. They prove that great music does not depend on a language or origin. It depends on passions, skill, and authenticity. Their ability to connect with audiences around the world highlights the universal appeal of rock music and reinforces the idea that powerful art transcends borders. Emotionally, the reactions evolves from surprise to admirations and eventually to deep respect. At first, there is shock at the contrast between appearance and sound, shock at the intensity of the performance. Then comes appreciation as the listeners begins to notice the details, the precisions of the instrument, the structure of the songs, the emotional delivery. Finally, there is respect, a recognition that the bandmate is operating a high level of artistry that deserves acknowledgments and praise. By the end of the experience, it becomes clear the bandmates is not just another band to casually listen to. They are a group that challenges perceptions, pushes boundaries, and elevates the standard of what rock music can be. Their performances leaves a lasting impact, encouraging listeners to explore more, to listen deeper, and appreciate the craft behind the music. It's in conclusion, reacting to the bandmates is more than just discovering a new band. It's an encounter with excellence. It is a reminder that music still has the power to surprise, to inspire, and to move people in profound ways. Bandmate embodies the spirit of rock while simultaneously redefining it, creating an experience that is both familiar and entirely new. Long after the final, no fades fades and impression remains echoing in the minds as a testament to their talents, passions, and unwavering dedications to their art. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.